Hi everyone, so I think today the lighting is doing better and I'm going to do again another tutorial for Instagram look tutorial. I'm going to do it in front of you. So I already have my base, my foundation, my concealer, my contour and everything on. It's stronger than it looks here because of the lighting. It's a little bit harsh. And please tell me what you think about the background. I think the lights behind me the last time were a little bit distracting and the lighting was a little bit bad because of that. And I know this background is reflecting light, so I don't know if it's the best. So please let me know if you want this background or you prefer just a white one. And that's it. So I'm going to start, of course, with the eyes, taking everything out of the way. So I'm going to leave, I think this over here, in the corner here, a card so you can see how I do normally my foundation and everything. And let's start with the eye stuff. I'm going to start with sorry, I'm putting everything. I'm going to start with an eye primer as always. Sorry about the mirror. So an eye primer because my eyes tend to crease, and I'm going to start doing, I think, more isn't tribal but like a horizontal line with color and everything, because I like a lot how it looks. And as you can see, I did my contour a little bit more masculine, boyish, minish, how you want to call it. And I'm going to start to use reddish colors. I'm going to use Huda Beauty palette, but it doesn't matter what palette you use. So I'm going to start with a brownish reddish tone, and I'm going to start all over. I took a fluffy brush because it's just going to be the base of everything. So now I'm just going to blend everything. Okay, now with the flat brush, I'm going to take the same color and put it all over the lid. Blend, everything is blending. Now, I don't know if I want to have the eyes dark and blend, or have the darkest to my temples and blend it in. So I don't know really. What should I do? I think I'm going to do dark through the temples, so I need to have my hair up. Well, I will try that. With the same flat brush, you don't need another one. I'm going to take a deeper brown This time a little more reddish. This is a little bit more orange, I will say. Don't worry about it don't being perfect. I'm just laying the color out right now. After this I'm going to be blending, and then we'll start packing the color on. Okay, now that I have more or less where I want that color to be, I'm going to take a blackish shadow and again pull it through your hairline, make sure, and then lightly closer to the brown you already put on. Okay, so now it's time to blend. And now I'm going to take the other blending brush and the dark brown shadow and blend those two together. Right now, with another flat brush and a light peachy color, I'm going to put it in the inner corner. Okay. Now I'm going to be with the same colors doing a little bit of a smudging. Now with a stippling sponge, I'm going to take the same colors with the black. I'm going to use water activated paint. Gives so dips a little bit of a dirty look to them. And now with eyeliner gel, I'm going to do my eyeliner, smudging all up. Don't be perfect. There's no need to. So on top of that, I will blend a little bit of a black shadow. Notice I'm not doing it correctly until smearing it. Now with a flat brush we use for the black, I'm going to smudge it a little bit more. Just bring some lines upwards and downwards. So now I'm going to put mascara on. Have my eyelashes black coated. If not, it will look a little bit strange. I'm not going to put false lashes on because that isn't the look I'm going for. And that's it. I hope you like it. Please give a like, comment, subscribe. Down in the description box you have all my social media, so please feel free to check them out. Also, by the time this goes up, my first collection of jewelry is out. I'm going to leave over here a card from the promotion video, and the links from my shop are down below, so you can take a look and see if you like something that I've done. So I'll see you next time. Bye.